lesson about Python Flask. Python Flask is micro framework based on Workzug and Jinja 2. To install a Flask, you just need to run pip install Flask in your virtual environment, of course. Why Flask? It's open source, suitable lightweight framework for building web or REST application. Good Flask example can be found here in GitHub. Our first Flask example will be to-do list. In this example, we will use list in memory to store to-do item. URL for to-do Flask application will be as follows. We will have get resource to return all the to-do list. We will have another get resource to get to-do item by its ID. We will have post request to insert a new to-do item to the list. We will have bot request to update existing to-do item in the list, and we will have delete resource which will delete to-do item based on its ID from the list. Data will received or sent from server as JSON.